Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laurent Boukobza. So today is part 3 of the video series I've created to help students and teachers to navigate through the coronavirus and distance learning. So today we'll tackle the difficulty of passing on musical ideas and feelings and everything that has to do with when I play for my students. This is what my students are going to get. And it is very challenging to do that through internet. I haven't found yet, so if you have suggestions, I'm ready to listen. But amongst all the messengers, WhatsApp, Zoom, FaceTime, and all these apps, Skype obviously, I haven't been very happy with all the sounds that I get back, and I hope they hear it. Good news is when I play for them, they actually say they do hear it, so I think this is cool. But in the same time, I think this is very important that we make sure we play for our students. I already talked about that very briefly, but this video will really talk about how I perform. Not just play scales and arpeggio, but I perform for my students. It has two benefits. The first one is they see the teachers doing it. So because the teacher's doing it, then they think, okay, I can do it. They think it's possible. It's not just an abstract concept. And the second one was good for you because you're gonna have to practice a little bit. So it keeps you up to par, with your instrument, because you don't want to sound like a total amateur in front of your students, of course. Especially when you're playing some challenging pieces, such in that case, you're gonna hear the Saint-Saëns Second Piano Concerto, in which I played the introduction, which is a pretty nice cadenza at the beginning. It's pretty difficult, and some other pieces. So let's listen to some of them. So what we're going to work on today is the articulation. So you see on your notebook, I want you to write for the Haydn, the finale, that there are enormous amounts of two-note slurs. So that's one version. I can play like that. Or when I arrive at the ending of the a tempo, to go back, when I'm from here, so I'm on measure 11. understand better. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the videos. As you see, it was pretty challenging, it was fun. It's something I really enjoy to do anyway. I mean, I'm a performer at heart, obviously with, everything I've done in my life. So don't forget to like the videos, to subscribe to my channel, the one you're watching right now. You can see all of these links I have that you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and so on. It's on the description below, so just look at the description below. As I said, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and see if you have any comments, if you have any ideas that you want to share with me for next videos or about these videos. I'll be very happy to hear them. You can also follow me on my website, laurentboukobza.net, and of course you can always contact me directly if you want to on my email address, still below. And so that's it for now. Bye.